All right, so this is the APEL basement bathroom install, and in this video I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the electrical rough-in. So the plan will be, as you come in, vanity over here, toilet, shower. You'll have light switches right here, 4 switches, one for 2 wall sconces that'll be right there, one for the main light fixture, which will be there, that's just a temporary light, and then 2 more, one for the exhaust fan and one for the shower light. So the entire electrical for the bathroom will come in off a single 20 amp circuit. That power comes in from the panel. A new conduit line was run. It's the one that comes down underneath here. And then you can't see it very well, but it comes back in through the wall and comes down into the box here where you will have a GFCI receptacle. And then the power from the panel and the GFCI receptacle will come over to where the switches are, and all the switch legs will come back. The reason for that is because I didn't want to have to run all of the switch legs up. This is where some existing conduit was, because then, based on where the ceiling would be, that conduit would be visible. So instead, I've opted to run all of the switch legs for all of the fixtures from this box, since I already have to go through one joist, and that way I can go up where that soffit is around some vent ducting, and then out and around. That way I can keep my ceiling up nice and high, or as high as I can here. So because of 20 amp, all of this was having to run through conduit and 12 gauge wire. You can see that for the wall sconces will come out through this conduit. The other 3 will come out through this conduit, which comes up into the soffit. You can't see it too well back there, and then it comes out into that flex conduit there and will come out into the main ceiling light fixture. And then the other 2 control switches will go through that flexible conduit over to the exhaust fan, and then from the exhaust fan, the last leg will run to the shower light. The shower light will be just a nice flush mount LED. Made sure to center both of those as best I can on where the shower will be. The power for the entire bathroom, like I said, comes in through that conduit there, which then, if you go out into the carpeted side of the basement, will come out up there through that joist bay and then down and into this piece of EMT conduit that I've run, which will go all the way into the panel. And then right up here, this is not the furnace. This is a new 20 amp breaker that'll be dedicated for the entire bathroom. And then I'll throw a new label on it. Obviously it's off for now. It's disconnected inside the panel. It's not connected up yet. And then everything will be good.